Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put a background on text box in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my document with text box. Now I put background on this text box. At first, you have to select this text box. Then you can see here are edit option. Press this edit option and you can see here are drawing interface. Just now select this text box on drawing interface. Now you can see here are fill color option. Just press this fill color option. Now I choose this dark cornflower blue one. Just press it and save. Press save and close. Now click outside on this text box. Now you can see I put background on a text box in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.